Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your story in a TikTok. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, just open up the TikTok app. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, just go ahead over to your profile at the bottom right. Okay, tap on your profile, wait for the profile page to load. And once done, just go ahead and tap on your profile picture. Okay. Now you'll be able to see or check if you have a live story. Okay, as you can see here, we have this circle besides our profile picture. So that means you have a story that is running. Okay, just tap on your profile or profile picture. And here I have my story. Okay, so to delete it, just tap on the three dots right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. And then here you have a ton of options. Okay, you can download it or delete it right here. Also, you have the settings. If you want only your friends to see this specific video, you can go to tap on settings right here. And again, as the title suggests, we're going to delete this one. So just tap on delete. There'll be a prompt. You can go ahead and delete and re-edit to post it again. If not, just tap on delete to delete it completely. And that is it. Just swipe down to refresh your profile page. And then when you tap on it, it will be gone. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.